Hello Moto fans and welcome back to the channel. So we're in Telluride, Colorado. We are going to pick up where we left off from the last episode and hopefully make it back in time to pick up my wife at 9. So that gas station is the best place to stop. It's just east of Telluride and actually probably one of the biggest gas stations for quite a few miles. So this is one of my favorite Colorado towns. I just love this place. The atmosphere, the scenery, everything about it. So I'm not going to show too much detail on this town, as I feel this is one of those places that you just have to come to and experience it for yourself. We'll wait.
I'm not going to play this game with you.
We'll wait for the... It's been a while since I've been here.
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Come on, Mr. Firefighter.
No.
Lord. Wait for this dude.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a very hippie town, man. There's dogs. So we'll just find a place to park this stuff. Come on, little buddy. The people here are extremely friendly.
That'll show you.
There's wood here.
Oh,
my bad.
I'm being a Logan.
There's a Wells Fargo. Logan has been known to ride around with his blinker on for a long time. So we'll park up here.
Okay.
See the walking cops. We'll park right
Ear to ear looking at us.
Who's these idiots come here on motorcycles?
Huh?
Cops are like, who's these idiots coming here on motorcycles?
Nah, they were grinning. Oh my god, this heel.
Yeah, I did not catch that, did you? My kickstand didn't stay down.
Mine didn't either.
Well, we're here in Telluride, gonna give our butts a break. So we're gonna go up on this rooftop, have a couple drinks, check out the scenery. We'll catch you back on the road.
Stop on sale or something.
Well, that was an awesome ride. There in the distance, you can see the waterfall from Black Bear Pass. We had some awesome 360-degree views with some great drinks. So let's get back on the bikes and try and make it back to Mancos before 9.
Oh, this is gonna be gross, but I'm gonna do it.
Hello. Honda Rebel.
Yeah. Visor down.
Yeah, that visor's down. Yeah, we're supposed to be riding into this.
Alright. We picked a great time to leave with the sun right in our eyes. We're gonna continue straight.
Zone style.
We're gonna take the 145. We're gonna go south. It's gonna be 2.4 miles.
Okay, alright, you get it. Alright, on today's episode, I can't make this shit up. There was a cheetah in Colorado. It was a panther cheetah. Yeah, she's black. Yeah, the black cheetah. Black cheetah.
How beautiful is it out here, man? I mean, honestly, like, freaking gorgeous.
This is pretty good. Colorado. It's not like people adds to its light.
Sorry, wrong blinker. My bad. We got passing at like 3/4 mile up here. Man, that sun's murderous. Have you got your glasses on under your helmet?
No, but if I stop, I put them on.
Alright.
Yeah, that I didn't.
Once we keep heading south, it won't be too bad. Like a cop out right there.
Luckily he's gone, because this road is just too much fun.
Oh man, I just got my footage too. It was so pretty without you guys in it. See that part at the top of my little guy stuff there.
Oh, your mom just texted me, take your time.
It's gonna be a fun.
Right? That's good, man. That's super awesome.
That'll bring her back. We'll be dropping her off in the morning. Mancos. No, I know I'm behind.
Okay.
Oh, is that him coming?
Yeah, he's back there.
I hear him revving that engine. I wasn't sure if you said that was a cop or you guys were over here.
We decided to slow down and catch you up.
Well, give us a big thumbs up if you like this content that we put out for you. And don't forget to subscribe, as we've got some really awesome videos that's going to be coming up here in the near future.
He's done.
What's up?
Alright, Moto fans. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. Join us next time. We're going to see how fast we can go.